welcome. This is Tchize, just to bring you another episode with AI overview on the phone. So I want to show you about Google NotebookLM. It is a tool that can do lots of things for you. Just quick overview that I have here right now. I've been working on LLM to do some stuff. It can basically summarize your videos. It can look into content that you want to understand. It can help you learn. It can help you transform the data you are working on into something else. It can read and watch YouTube for you and create summary transcriptions, turn into blog posts, and do so many things. It can create images. Let's say, for instance, I have here create an audio overviews from website, for instance. I can inject PDFs, I can inject images, website, YouTube's copy text. Let's start with the PDF. I'm gonna pick up a random PDF and I will transform it into something. Let's see one of the let's see my CV, for instance, the old CV on me. So I'll say shot. I'll say this is my CV, right? And I'll say use my CV to build up a DevOps course 20 YouTube video series, and done. So it's gonna look into my CV, look at what I've done, everything I put in on CV, and it's going to build a 20 YouTube video series based on what you have on my CV. And it's going to do that in the background. I could also ask him to look into my CV, do some analysis, and give me ways I can improve my CV. Or if I can go to Studio, so like on Studio, I can ask it to create an audio overview of my CV at the same time it's doing that. So let's hear. It's generating right now, and when it's done, it's gonna give you back in a few minutes. I can ask it to create a video overview, a quiz, infographic, slide deck, so I can pick my CV and do whatever I want. It's only one document, so because you can do so many things with AI, guys. And it's all on my mobile phone. So right here, I'm recording this video, and I'm only interacting with my phone. I don't have my computer with me. I have my phone, and with my phone, I can do so much right now with the tools we have in hand. You don't even imagine. If you want to know more, and if you want to figure out how you can use the tools you have in hand, and you need help because you feel overwhelmed and a bit lost, you don't know where to start, please DM me. AI need help. That's all you need, and I will come back to you and help you get started. Be it on your business, if you are an entrepreneur online, you want to make money online with a small business, a side hustle, or you're a small business owner, you need help to integrate AI on your day-to-day business. Just reach out, do right AI need help, and I will come back to you with more. And we'll do a one-on-one and whatever we need to look into your case and help you integrate AI on your business and escalate, so you can concentrate on what you do best, which is bring money, bring business to your thing. All right. So this is Tchize. I will show you guys when this stuff is finished. I know it's gonna take a bit of time to get. Oh, by the way, it's here. It created the, let's see what he created. This is what I got. This is what he got from my CV. So those 20 video series, can you see here? Phase 1, foundation to GCP ecosystem. Phase 2, advanced infrastructure code with Terraform. Phase 3, containerization and platform engineering. Phase 4, CI/CD automation. Phase 5, DevSecOps and advanced scripting. Senior lead perspective. So would you like me to create a slide deck summarizing the curriculum for each video, or perhaps an infographic timeline showing how this course tracks again your career progression? So I just uploaded my video, asked it to create a 20 video series so I could then create a YouTube it's not course, but I would say use my CV to build up a DevOps course 20 videos series. And that's what I've done. So I can pick this up and start creating all the necessary video scripts to pull that up and bring it to my channel. And voila, I have my next 20 videos ready to go. All right, this is one way you can use AI. Again, if you want to help, just text back in my DM and say AI need help. That's all. See you on the next video. Bye.